for the right vehicle? Check out 2018 Audi A6. The large executive favorite, the Audi A6, remains a cornerstone of the market. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: navigation system, power passenger seat, traction control, dual airbags, leather-wrapped steering wheel, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, center armrest, electronic stability control, security system, rear window defroster, compass, fog lights, power windows, trip computer, heated front seats, CD player, brake assist, power moonroof. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.